I would like to say good morning to our respected principal, my teachers, my seniors and colleagues. Let me let you know something about this special occasion. Today we are celebrating 68th Republic Day of our nation. It was started celebrating since 1950, 2.5 years later to the independence of India in 1947. We celebrate it every year on 26th of January as the constitution came into effect of the same day. After getting independence from the British rule in 1947, India was not a self-ruled country, means a state. India became a self-government country when its constitution came into effect in 1950. It is a republic country which has no any king or queen to rule it. However, public of this country is the ruler. Every one of us living in this country has same equal rights. No one can be a president, chief minister or prime minister without voting of us. We have the right to choose our best prime minister or other leaders to lead this country in the right direction. Our leader should be capable enough to think in the favor of our country. He should think equally about every state, village and cities of the country so that India can be a well-developed country without any discrimination of race, religion, poor, rich, high class, lower class, middle class, illiteracy. Our leaders should have dominating property in the favor of country so that each and every official may follow all the rules and regulations in correct way. Every official should follow the Indian rules and regulations in order to make this country a corruption-free country. Only a corruption-free India would really and truly mean a country with unity in diversity. Our leaders should not understand them as special person as they are one from us and have been selected accordingly to their capability to lead the country. They have been selected by us to serve their truthful services to the India for a limited time period. So there should not be any confusion between their own ego and authority and position. As being an Indian citizen, we too are fully responsible about our country. We should make ourselves up to date, read news and be completely aware of what are going on in our country, what are going on wrong or right, what are our leaders doing and firstly what we are doing for our country. Earlier, India was a slave country under British rule which was made independent after several years of struggle by the sacrifice of thousands of lives of our freedom fighters. So we should not let go easily their own priceless sacrifices and make their country a slave country again under corruption, illiteracy, inequality and other social discrimination. Today is the best day when we should take an oath to prevent our country real meaning, position, status and most importantly culture of humanity. Thanks. Bharat Mata ki Jai.